Hey guys, so the kids had an idea, which is to call Pretty Bird's followers Pretty Bird's flock. Let me know what you guys think about becoming part of Pretty Bird's flock. She's over here trying to take a bath in her water bowl. Hi, Pretty Bird. Yeah. You say hi to your friends? Oh, shake, shake. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, now we're getting pretty. Now we're getting pretty. Yeah. It's actually a pretty sunny day today in Arizona. Starting to get a little bit chilly towards the end of the day. The wind is cooling down a little, right, Goose Goose? Yeah. Yeah. See, Pretty Bird already had a shower today. Apparently one shower is not enough. Good girl. Oh, so pretty. Such a silly goose. Such a silly goose. So, I have a fun fact about Pretty Bird. I thought you guys might like to hear this. Ever since Pretty Bird hatched, since she sees me as her mother, she's always been very particular about wanting to know where I am. So, since we don't generally leave the house much without her, that works out really well. But at night, ever since she was a baby, ever since she hatched, she has always slept in the beginning it was a regular container next to my bed, and now it is actually a makeshift like enclosure that I built with cardboard boxes and lined with tarp underneath and above to make sure it's waterproof. And I rebuild it every like month or two, and she sleeps literally right next to me. Like, I wake up to Pretty Bird grooming my head, right, Pretty Bird? Or like nuzzling into my pillow while she's trying to go to sleep, as if she's nuzzling into my wings. Or like she'll be like nibbling on my hair because she's trying to groom me. And it's pretty cute, actually. Or when she gets really tired, and I'll show you guys this eventually. She gets really tired sometimes. She tries to stay awake if we're watching a movie. So what she does is she ends up laying her head in my hands, and I pet her. And she keeps falling asleep, like her eyes keep closing over and over and over again. And then she wakes up and tries to wake herself up, and she does that over and over again, which is extremely adorable. I think this is like the cutest thing when she does that, when she rolls her head around like that. I've always thought it's so adorable. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Yes, shake, shake. Shake, shake, goose, goose. Let's fix your bow, huh? You wanna fix your bow? You wanna fix your bow? There you go. Yeah. You can get some num-nums? Come on. Come on. Goose, goose. Nom, nom, nom. You get the num-nums? Pretty bird. Num num. Num num. Are you coming? It's like, no, I'm looking around. Oh, another funny fact about Pretty Bird. Okay. She only does this to my husband, Mike. So, as I've said before, in her mind, I'm her mother, my husband's her father, and my siblings are like her siblings, right? Well, every time we are in our bedroom and my husband needs to use the restroom, which means he's walking past her little, which we call it her nest, her enclosure. So every time he walks past her nest to go to the bathroom, right, she will start calling him. And she'll go, ha, ha, like a baby almost. She's like, ha, like it's baby noises basically. But she'll keep calling him until he's done in the bathroom. And then every time he comes back, she is like super cuddly and she's so happy to see him and she's greeting him and she's bowing in front of him, which is, goose for saying hello. And it's super adorable because she's obsessively starts grooming him and she's like acting like she was so worried about where daddy went and what was daddy doing. And, I always kind of chuckle about it. And I say, what she's thinking is that he's going in the bathroom, he's playing with water without her. Because she knows that's where her tub is in her shower. But for some reason, she only does it when he goes to the restroom. Which I think is pretty funny. Right, Goose Goose? Yes, that's pretty funny, huh? Hi! Hi! Hi, baby. Oh, you're gonna get num-nums? Oh, num-nums. Oh, num-nums. Num, 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 num. Yes. Also, I have not had Pretty Bird test it yet to find out her specific mix. All we know is that she's part Canada goose and that she's part domestic goose from that farm where we bought her egg from. So what I've been thinking about doing is taking her to a vet whenever we can afford it, and see if we can do like one of those DNA tests where you I guess take a little bit of saliva or a little bit of blood or something. I don't know how they work exactly. I'd have to look into it, or if they're even possible for geese. But and dogs. Hi! What? What? What do you see? She hears something or sees something. Are you okay? Are you okay? Come on. Anyways, and dogs, I know that whenever you have a dog that is a mutt, like a mixed breed, you can go to a vet and they can do this test on the dog that basically determines what breeds your dog is mixed with. So I want to try and find out if there are aviary vets that, treat geese that might be able to find out what Pretty Bird is mixed with. Like the specific breed, because I'm thinking that she's part African goose or part brown Chinese goose, which would explain the solid dark stripe that she has going down on the back of her head. There are almost no white dots on the back of her head all the way down, and that stripe reminds me just a lot of those African geese or those brown Chinese geese. And as a female, if I remember right, they don't usually have the knob on their beak, which could explain that, other than the fact that she's also mixed with Canada. And then the patch, if you look at the way that it shapes in her face, it does kind of look like she could be related to them. And I do remember seeing those kind of geese at that homestead. So I guess we'll have to figure that out, right? Eventually, we'll do one of those tests. If they are possible, if they exist. Right, pretty bird? You want to do one? You want to do a test? You want to do a test? You want to find out what kind of goose your mama was? You want to find out what kind of goose your mama was? He say, my mama's a human. Come on, Goose Goose. She's like, I'm busy eating. I'm not going anywhere right now. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please do share the videos that you enjoy, that you like, that you think maybe your family or friends might enjoy. Maybe we can put a smile on their face too. And feel free to comment any advice, any ideas, any thoughts. Of course, please keep it polite and respectful, because we do want to keep this channel clean. And I hope you'll subscribe. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Right? Oh, and by the way, what? Apparently Pretty Bird's got something to say too. What? You tell us all about it? What is it? She's super talkative today, huh? Yeah. You tell them all about it? Yeah. You're so cute. Yes, you are. You know what, Pretty Bird? Pretty. What are you doing? Pretty. Cuckoo. 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 Bless you. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. I'm gonna go see what Jess. You gonna go see what the kids are doing? You go check out the swings? You can't swing, baby. You can't go on the swings. Where are you going? Alright, Goose Goose. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Goose Goose. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Oh, thank you for the kisses. Yeah, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.